National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Richland County, southeastern Ashland County, northeastern Morrow County, northeastern Knox County, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lexington, or 10 miles southwest of Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Lexington, Loudonville, Belleville, Waterford, Butler, Perrysville, Lucas, Gann, Mohicanville, North Liberty, and Chalk.